In continuation to phylum Oomycota, now the order is Leptomitales. I'm N.H. Shankar Reddy, PhD Plant Pathology. Uh, Before we have discussed Saprolignaceae, Saprolignials, Pithials, Peronosporales and Sclerosporales. Now the order is Leptomitales. It's a very small order only. The cell wall of this order Leptomitales generally contains chitin in their cell wall. Example is Aphadogyla and Leptomitus. From beginning of Oomycota onwards, I repeatedly mentioned many times. All Oomycota group of fungal cell wall is made up of cellulose, except few fungi like Saprolignia, Leptomitus, Achyla, Aphadogyla. These are all the few fungi. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. This is also, repeatedly asked questions in nets and various entrance exams. What are all the Oomycetes group of fungi, their cell wall is made up of chitin, or which of the following fungi which contains chitin in their cell wall, or chitin containing Oomycetes group of fungi? Such kind of repeated questions definitely they will ask. So example, as I told you, Saprolignia, Achyla, Aphadogyla, Leptometas. These are all a couple of fungi. Even though they comes under Oomycetes, their cell wall is made up of cellulose. Asexual reproduction generally takes place by means of biflagellate zoospores. The species are maybe diplanetic or monoplanetic also. Majority of the leptomatous species are heterothallic, except one species there is a sapromesis which is homothallic. Majority of the species is heterothallic only, but one species that is called sapromesis which is homothallic. And sexual reproduction is the oogamous type. All kinds of Oomycota group of fungal sexual reproduction is oogamous only, where male antheridium, female oogonium come in contact with each other, forming a fertilization tube and exchanging of gametes. So asexual reproduction in leptometals takes place by means of zoosporangia, whereas I told you that biflagellate zoospores are released. And the sexual reproduction of leptometals is typically takes place of gametangial contact, that is oogamous type, where male antheridium, female globose oogonium come in contact with each other, fertilization tube is formed and exchanging of gametes and oospore is formed. That is how it actually happens in gametangial contact type. At current, this leptometals is divided into four families: Apodocliniaceae, Deuterillaceae, and Leptolegillaceae and Leptometaceae. Now we are going to see this Leptometaceae family. This Leptometaceae, only one important fungi is there, that is Leptometus, generally called as sewage fungi. Most of this Leptometaceae family are aquatic saprobes. There are three genera generally comes under this Leptometaceae: Leptometus, Aphadocyla, and Plerogyne. So among that, the Leptometus is important one, generally called as sewage fungus. So this is a very small order which contains just one important fungi, that is Leptometus, Aphadogyla, Leptometus. The probable questions that we can expect from this order is like Leptometaceae, Leptometus, Aphadogyla. Their cell wall is made up of a chitin, such kind of things only. Rather than that, there is nothing much look into it. For further more information, students can refer this book, A Vision into Plant Pathology, a complete student version. For further doubts and clarification, student can reach us at www.geekyresearch.com. Stay geeky and stay tuned. We are Team Geeky Researchers.